I hope you've got a wonderful day. Today we'll be trying to work on this F1 Formula car racing will be built for a little while right now. And as you can see, the work is actually progressing. We've got a couple of works going right there. And we're trying to mount the steering on the car. I don't know if you can see that picture right there. And this is kind of built. We've got a lot of people trying to help out. The actually my brother. So we've got this morning, and I really want to talk about a little thing about inventions we got a few days ago. Today we're just trying to work on the steering and also the wheel alignments. They're kind of pretty bad, and we're trying to see if we can adjust the whole thing. And ever since we replaced this strong suspension on the wheels, it's kind of strong, and we can actually go what we want because right now we've got super suspension and kind of we got errors in our control system, like the steering. But we're able to change the steering rack and also make some sharp adjustments. And this is what we got our way. And it's way simple and cool and soft right now. But looking at that, the wheels is not really alternate to each other. Rather, it's a kind of a diagonal. So we just want to change some other things. And the shocks too, we got a new shock on it. And I think check it out. Okay, that's it. It's way better right now. It's got no more. I took on the whole thing. Look at that where the wheel is going. So it's kind of aligning the center position. Yeah, I think this is really gonna work perfectly. That's all we've got for now, and I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to give a like and also subscribe to this channel. And next week we're actually working on our airplane because we got a new engine ordered, so we are waiting for the arrival. And once the engine get back in Nigeria, we're gonna start out the next project and try to figure out the engine mount and the slats and everything. And again, I got one of my friends asked a comment about we're not building the plane anymore. No, it's not like we're not building. We got busy starting with this project. I want to go some little drag racing, so more of off-road. Yeah, this car was actually for street racing, but we want to go for off-road and racing, drag, and then after we're gonna switch to the plane. So for now, we're gonna deal with this project for now. And next week, we're hoping to I said the engine we ordered from online, yeah, so on eBay. So we're gonna get it home and then start up the next project. So for now, we're gonna hit it off right here, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe, and catch you on the next video. This is Ken Smith. We're out. Love you.